Welcome to my video about getting started with Backtrader. So what are we going to learn today? Let me split this tutorial in 3 parts. We're going to install the software that we need. These 2 software are mainly Anaconda, that includes Jupyter Notebook, and Backtrader. After that, we're going to create a Python 3 Jupyter Notebook so that you can follow along when I code, and you're going to be able to reproduce the same steps on your machine. And after that, we're going to run an Hello World type of application to make sure everything's set up properly. So you might be wondering, why do we need Anaconda? Honestly, it's just to make our life so much easier, because we don't have to install all the dependencies to get everything we need as a programmer and data scientists that are working on strategies to invest in the stock market or Forex. Anaconda contains a software called Jupyter Notebook, and that's a great resource because it documents how we got the data, how we transformed it, and how we used it in our trading system, because we do a lot of different steps, and sometimes it's kind of hard to keep track of what we did in what order. And you will see Jupyter Notebook makes our life so much easier, so that's going to be a great resource. And honestly, it's going to be great for you and someone else if they want to reproduce your step along the way. So first step, Anaconda. Take Google, whatever search engine you prefer, and try to get to a website that looks like this one, anaconda.com. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click here to download it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do that again. And it's pretty simple. You click next, 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 and first thing you know, you have Anaconda installed on your machine. I'm on a Mac, so if you're curious to see what it looks like when it's installed, this is what it looks like. The icon is a green circle, and when you start it, you're gonna see there's multiple applications. And what we really care about with Anaconda is the Jupyter Notebook. I don't think I'm gonna update today. And here, that's the Jupyter Notebook. We're going to click on it, and it's going to start a web server, and it's a web application pretty much. So, and we're going to create a new Python 3 notebook, and this is it. This is how it looks like. So now we have a Jupyter Notebook. We're going to name that Jupyter Notebook Backtrader. Here we go. But before we can actually do some Backtrader things, we need to go out and install Backtrader. So now, again, Google or Bing for backtrader.com. You should fall on a website that kind of looks like this one. We're going to follow the documentation on how to install the software. Here we go. And we're going to click on installation. Requirements are pretty simple. You need Python and matplotlib if you want to do some graphs. And actually we do. When we trade, we always like to see our bar charts and our buy and sell trades. So we're going to use the Backtrader with plotting options. And again, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to run it at the console. Remember, we installed Anaconda, so we need to find where that is. And actually, mine is installed under user training Anaconda 3, and right now I'm under the binary folder because Python comes out of the box with a Mac, but I don't want to use the version that Mac offers. I want to be sure that I'm actually using the one that Anaconda has provided me. So that's why I went to the folder training Anaconda 3 bin. Obviously, training is my user. On your machine is going to be probably really different. It needs to be installed as a super user administrator, so that's why I'm going to look at my history of command, and here we go. Like I said, it's already installed, so probably your message is going to be a little bit different. Here we go. Now it looks better. So matplotlib and Backtrader has been installed. Now we're ready to go in Anaconda and see if it's working. Here, like I said, the documentation is really good. We're gonna go on the Quick Start tab, and there should be a little piece of code that will help us prove that the thing is actually working. So this is the one we're looking for, from 0 to 100. It's a basic setup. You see here that line just imports some libraries that we're going to need down there. The magic happens here. That's the Backtrader object that we import as BT. Then here we just start by outputting a string saying, hey, we're starting the engine. We run the engine, and after that just say, hey, the engine got run. Let's copy that. Let's go to Anaconda. And we should have our Backtrader notebook still open. And we're gonna run it. Here we go. That's all you need. We proved that we can run Backtrader inside of our Anaconda